This video will show you how to deal with wastage. As always, make sure that your unit is sitting in the correct week before you start. Select wastage from your job menu. When the form loads, you will see that you've landed on the draft page. Press refresh to view any documents in draft status. Remember that any document in draft status has not affected the database and must be dealt with either by deletion or by processing before the weekend. If you want to view other documents in the wastage form, the ones that have been confirmed, change the status to confirmed and refresh again. You can view documents that were processed in previous weeks by changing the week and refresh again. To create a new document, click on the New button at the top. The wastage type does not need to be changed and the centre should come through automatically. You do not have to enter a reason here or a code, but you must enter the correct date. And you must enter a comment. Once complete, click Create. You now see a blank wastage form and you need to add in the items to be wasted. Using the New button down here, we open the grid. You can skip across the sequence box and click into Product. By using the orange drop-down, we should get a search list. You need to search for the items to be wasted. Type in part of the description in this box and click Search. Choose from the list that pops up very carefully and click onto the code. Make sure the pack size is correct and enter the quantity. You will now need to enter your line reason code. Again, use the orange drop-down list for help. This melon has gone out of date. I need to enter a reason comment at the end. That could be my initials or it could be more information about the type of wastage. I'm using my tab key to move on to line 2, or you could use the New button again. Orange drop down to search, part of the description at the top, search again. Red apples this time. Again, make sure that the pack size is correct. This time it's a whole box. And the reason is because they were damaged. I can give more information. Make sure that you save the document when complete, and from this point you can either continue to process or go back to the draft screen and leave it in here until it's ready to be processed. You can add to your wastage records at any point by clicking onto the code, continuing with adding, and entering reasons. Save when complete, and when you're sure you've completed the whole document, press the Process button. You may see a document queued. Do not try to process it again, it will eventually disappear. Press refresh to refresh the page. The wastage record has now been processed and you can view it in the confirmed screen. You cannot enter any additional items now, cannot amend it because it's been processed.